In this demo, we will look at using the Concur system to pay non-employees. Examples of non-employee payments include payments made to students for awards or travel reimbursement, job candidate travel reimbursement, and guest speaker honorariums. Since the payee is not a university employee, they are paid in the system as a supplier. All new payees are required to complete an IRS W-9 or W-8 form before they can become a supplier in the system. In this example, we will be paying a guest speaker an honorarium. Click on Expense and Create New Report. Change the policy from PIT General to PIT Guest Expense Policy. It is recommended that you include the payee's name in the Report Name field. If the payment is related to travel, enter the actual business dates of travel. The system will not allow you to enter a future date, so if payment is for a speaker at an upcoming event, just enter the current date. In this example, our trip type is non-travel since it is an honorarium for a guest speaker. Enter the remaining required header fields, including the account number to which payment will be charged. In the case of honorariums, many times departments want to present a check to the guest speaker at the time of the speaking engagement. In that case, you might want to respond yes to the question, "Pick up check in person." If you will be picking up a check, include your email address so payment processing can contact you when the check is ready. If the payee has received previous payments from the university, select his or her name from the Vendor ID dropdown. Also select the vendor site, which is usually a work or home address. If the payee name does not appear in the Vendor ID field, that person is not in the system yet as a supplier. You can continue with the payment request, but you must attach a copy of a completed W-8 or W-9. We will look at how to attach documents in a moment. Click Next to proceed. Since this payment is for an honorarium only, we will answer no to the question, "Are you traveling and receiving a per diem for meals?" The first expense line will be for the honorarium payment. Enter the required fields, including the payment amount. Comments are not required, but can provide additional information for approvers. Click Save. Enter a second expense line, selecting New Vendor Supporting Documents. In the Amount field, enter 0. Click Save, then attach a copy of the payee's completed W-8 or W-9. The image might be a scanned image that you upload from your computer, or if you took a picture of the W-8 or 9 with the Concur mobile app, it will display under Available Receipts. Once attached, the image can be viewed by hovering over the Attach Receipts icon. When finished, submit the payment request for approval.